Can you tell me your daily routine? Such a simple question, but your mind suddenly goes blank. You studied English for years through grammar books, exercises, and tests. You know hundreds of words, but when it's time to speak about your real life, everything becomes messy. You start with the morning, then jump to the evening, then stop because you don't know what to say next. And that's the problem. You learned English to pass exams, not to communicate naturally. But today, that changes. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about your daily routine clearly, confidently, and like a real English speaker, step by step, without translating in your head. We're going to explore something very practical and very useful for every English learner. 10 real-life English conversations that every beginner's learner must know to become fluent in English. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these phrases, but also practice them with me through exercises that will help you speak smoothly and without hesitation. Whether you're waking up, going to school or work, chatting with friends, or doing any other activity, these real-life English conversations used by Americans will become part of your everyday English vocabulary. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our English learning lessons. Let's start the first chapter.
I wake up. The sun comes in through my window. My eyes open slowly. I feel tired. I want to sleep more, but it is morning. I sit up in bed. I take a deep breath. The room is quiet. I look around. My day is beginning. I say to myself, "Good morning." These are my first English words today. I want to speak English every day, so I start now. Even if I am alone, I say, "Good morning." It feels nice. My voice is soft, but I hear it. I understand it. That is a big step. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I walk to the bathroom. I say, "I go to the bathroom." I look in the mirror. I smile. Then I say, "I brush my teeth." I pick up my toothbrush. I say, "This is my toothbrush." I start to brush. 1, 2, 3. I count in English. It helps me stay in the language. I wash my face. The water is cold. I say, "I wash my face." I look in the mirror again. I say, "I look tired, but I feel good." These small sentences help me. They are part of my day. They are part of my practice. I go back to my room. I get dressed. I say, "I put on my clothes." I choose a shirt. I say, "This shirt is blue." I wear pants. I say, "These are my pants." I sit on my bed again. I take 1 minute. I look outside. The sky is blue. I say, "It is sunny." Or I say, it is cloudy. Every sentence is a chance. Every sentence is learning. At first, it felt strange, talking to myself in English. But now, it feels normal. It is my secret way to practice. I don't need a class. I don't need a partner. I only need my real life, and morning is the best time. Chapter 2. I eat breakfast. After I wake up and get ready, I feel hungry. My stomach makes a sound. It says, "Feed me." So I go to the kitchen. I say, I eat breakfast. I say it slowly. I eat breakfast. It is simple, but it is English. I open the cupboard. I take out a plate. I say, this is my plate. I open the fridge. I see eggs. I say, I eat eggs. Now, repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I feel hungry. This is my plate. I eat eggs. I drink tea. Good job. Chapter 3. I go to work or school. After breakfast, it's time to leave. I pick up my bag. I say, I go to work, or I go to school. I walk to the door. I say, I leave my house. I close the door. A new part of my day begins. Now, repeat after me. I go to work. I go to school. I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. Very good. Chapter 4. I work or study. Now I arrive. I reach work, or I reach school. I say, I start my work. I sit on my chair. I open my notebook. I say, I study. Sometimes I feel tired, but I say, one sentence is enough. Now, repeat after me. I start my work. I study English. I sit at my desk. I am learning. Excellent. Chapter 5. I talk with friends. I see my friends. I smile. I say hello. I ask, how are you? I feel happy. English helps me connect. I speak slowly, simply. Now, repeat after me. Hello. How are you? I am fine. I talk with my friends. Great job. Great job.
You've completed 5 out of 10 chapters already. You're doing an amazing job. But the conversation doesn't stop here. What activities will you describe after lunch? Will you talk about working, studying, relaxing, or meeting friends? Keep watching until the end of this video and continue practicing with me step by step. I promise that after the next 10 minutes, you'll feel more confident speaking English about your daily routine naturally and smoothly. Before we keep going, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our English learning lessons.
Chapter 6. I eat lunch. It is lunchtime. I feel hungry. I say, I eat lunch. I eat rice. I drink water. Lunch is simple. Lunch is practice. Now, repeat after me. I eat lunch. I eat rice. I drink water. Very nice. Chapter 7. I come home. The day is long. I go home. I open the door. I say, I am home. I feel calm. I feel safe. Now, repeat after me. I go home. I am home. I feel tired. Good work. Chapter 8. I watch TV or study English. I sit down. I rest. I say, I watch TV. Or, I study English. I learn every day. Now, repeat after me. I watch TV. I study English. I listen carefully. Well done. Chapter 9. I eat dinner and talk with family. It is evening. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. I feel happy. Dinner is warm. Dinner is safe. Now, repeat after me. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. I feel happy. Wonderful. Chapter 10. I sleep and think in English. The day is over. I eat dinner. I say softly, I am learning. I close my eyes. Good night. Now, repeat after me. I go to bed. I am learning. Good night.
Well done! You've completed 10 powerful conversations to describe your daily routine in English. That's a huge step forward. After this lesson, spend just 10 minutes every day practicing your English output. Speak anywhere, anytime. While shopping at the supermarket, cooking in the kitchen, or even taking a shower. Describe anything you see around you in English. This simple habit will train your mouth and brain to speak more naturally, clearly, and fluently every single day. And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every sentence you speak is progress. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this lesson with your friends and co-workers so you can practice together. Also, comment below about any topic or sentence you still find difficult to say in English. Anna reads all your comments and will create future lessons based on your needs. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.